Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our last episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the video where we talked about the Kentucky Derby. Now it's time to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is the Kentucky Derby held in New York? No, it takes place in Louisville, Kentucky. Is the Kentucky Derby part of the Triple Crown? Yes, it's the first race in the Triple Crown series. Does the race last about 30 minutes? No, it only lasts about 2 minutes. Do people dress casually for the Kentucky Derby? No, the event is known for its elegant and colorful fashion. Is the mint julep the official drink of the Derby? Yes, it's a traditional bourbon cocktail served at the event. Is My Old Kentucky Home sung before the race starts? Yes, it's a moving tradition sung before the race begins. Are only horses over 3 years old allowed to race? No, only 3-year-old horses compete in the Derby. Is the Kentucky Derby known as the most boring 2 minutes in sports? No, it's called the most exciting 2 minutes in sports. Do the winners of the Kentucky Derby become national celebrities? Yes, winning the Derby is a major achievement in horse racing. Is the Kentucky Derby only about racing with no cultural traditions? No, it's full of fashion, music, drinks, and Southern heritage. Watch this video again to reinforce your learning. And don't forget to subscribe so you're ready for the next chapter in this amazing series about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.